Hello everyone, welcome to India Land Resources chapter. In this lesson, we will understand about the land is one of the most important natural resource of a country. Its proper use is very essential for the growth of economy ours. Then second point is in the India the pattern of land use can be classified into 7 categories. They are first one is net shown area, second one is forest area, third one is land not available for the cultivation, fourth one is fallow land, then fifth one is cultivable wasteland, sixth one is permanent pasture and other grazing land, seventh one is land under the miscellaneous uses. Then next one is the agriculture. Agriculture means the tilling of the soil for the cultivating food crops and the raw materials needed by the human beings. It also includes the raising cattle and other livestock, besides poultry farming and the beekeeping. Next point, agriculture in India is the main source of livelihood. It is the main source of the food for the people, of the fodder for the domestic animals. It is a source of the national income and revenue. It also supports other sectors of the economy also. There are types of the agricultures. On account of geographical and socio-economic factors, various types of the farming are the practiced in the India. First one is subsistence farming. In that they have divided, first one is shifting farming, second one is sedentary farming, second one is intensive farming, third one is commercial farming, fourth one is mixed farming, fifth one is plantation farming, sixth one is dry farming, seventh one is humid farming, eighth one is irrigation farming. Next is cultivation of crops based on the season is called as a cropping season. In India there are 3 cropping seasons are there. First one is Kharif, second one is Rabi, and third one is the Zaid. Next point, the cropping pattern of the region refers to the preparations of the area under the different crop of the given times. A wide variety of the crops are grown in the different parts in the India. They can classified as a food crops, commercial crops, oil seeds and plantation crops. First one is food crops. These crops are cultivated to provide food to the population. They include rice, wheat, jawar, pulses, etc. Next one is commercial crops. These crops are cultivated for the sale. They include the sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds, etc. Next one is fiber crops. These crops provide raw material for the textile industry. They include the cotton and jute. Beverage crops. These are also known as the plantation crops. They include tea and coffee. The intensive cultivation of the fruits, vegetables, flowers, medicinal and the aromatic plants is called as a horticulture. Next one is floriculture. It is the cultivation of the flowers for the commercial purpose. Let us see, we will understand about the classification of land use pattern in the India. What we are understanding here, there are the classification of land uses patterns, report areas and the highest proportions found in the which states and least found the areas of what we will understand. First of all, we will understand the classification of land use patterns. There, first one is net shown area, second one is forest area, then third one is land not available for the cultivation, fourth one is fallow land, fifth one is cultivable wasteland, sixth one is permanent pastures and other grazing lands, seventh one is land under the miscellaneous usage. So first one is net shown area is reported total in our India is 42.42%. It was reported the net shown area. Its highest portion found in the Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Net shown area we can find out the highest in this region. And at least means the northern eastern state we can find out this net shown area. Then next one is forest area. Forest area reported in our India 22.8%. 22.8%. Its highest portion is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and in the northern eastern states. Least found areas means the states of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The land not available for cultivation. It is reported area is 14.1%. Its highest portion found Assam, Manipur, Sikkim. The least found area is Goa, Kerala, Odisha and Maharashtra. The fallow land. Fallow land is reported the area is 8.2%. Mizoram, Tamil Nadu and Meghalaya. Least found areas are Tripura, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The cultivable wasteland it is 4.3%. It is highest proportions found in the Meghalaya, Goa, Nagaland and Rajasthan. The permanent pastures and other grazing lands are reported area is 3.4%. The highest portions found in the Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Land under the miscellaneous usage 1.1%. Its highest portion found in Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Kerala, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh. Next one is types of agriculture. The types of agriculture we can find out. First one is the subsistence farming. In that they have divided. First one is shifting farming, sedimentary farming. Then second one is intensive farming. Third one is commercial farming. Fourth one is mixed farming. Fifth one is plantation farming. Sixth one is dry farming. Seventh one is humid farming. Eighth one is irrigation farming. Let us see, we will discuss about their features and area which practice there. The subsistence farming is a type of farming in which most of the productions of crops is consumed by the farmer and his family, leaving only a small portions for the sale. Farmers use the primitive methods of the cultivations. Which areas of which practiced? Northeastern states, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. The shifting farming. It is the type of agriculture in which a patch of the forest is cleared, all burnt, to the cultivated for a few years until the fertility of the soils is reduced. The land is then abandoned and new forest area is cleared, the burnt for the cultivation. So it is the shifting farming is area which is practiced means by the tribals in Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Odisha. The second one is the sedentary farming. It is cultivation of land at a fixed location instead is shifting from one place to another. The farmland is not abandoned but cultivated year after the year across the India. The intensive farming, a method of farming in which a large amount of the capital and labor are applied per unit of land. Farmers raise two or more crops get the maximum productions from small land holdings. Its areas are common in the fertile and irrigated areas of the country. The commercial farming is the futures, a system of farming in which crops are grown for the market. Only cash crops are cultivated. Mixed farming, it is futures agriculture involving the cultivation of crops and livestock rearing. Plantation farming, it refers to the cultivation of the single crops on the large estates for the market. It requires more labor and the capital. The dry farming, a method of the farming carried on in an area which receives scanty rainfall and where irrigation is either absent or the limited. And it's the future and it's which areas are practiced means it is mainly practiced in a peninsular India and in the western Rajasthan. Humid farming, cultivation of crops in the areas which receives the sufficient rainfall. Crops are grown without the help of irrigation. The areas which practiced means west coast and other areas which is receives the sufficient rainfall. The irrigation farming, a method of the farming under which crops are grown with the help of the irrigation. So I hope this video was informative. Remaining part we will discuss in next part. Okay, thank you everyone.